I'll show you the step-by-step process to file an official Western Union fraud claim online and over the phone, the exact documentation you must gather, and how to work with law enforcement to secure your case file. If you're ready to protect your money, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. If you tracked your MTCN and realized you sent money to a scammer or made a serious typo, you need to act within minutes to flag the transfer before the money permanently vanishes. Before contacting the fraud department, you must gather your specific transaction information so the intake system doesn't reject your ticket. To begin, open your receipt or check your digital transaction log and write down the following: your 10-digit MTCN tracking number, the exact dollar amount sent and currency type, the exact date the transfer was initialized, the recipient details, including their name, city, or country, and if it's a scam, the specific mechanism of the scam, such as an internet purchase trick, a fake online job offer, or an advance fee loan scam. If you just sent the money and want a chance to freeze it before it is picked up, do not wait for an email reply. You need an immediate intercept. Dial the official toll-free Western Union fraud hotline immediately. You can find the exact hotline to call for fraud claims for various countries by opening your browser and visiting this specific page, https://www.westernunion.com/global-service/report-fraud-fraud-hotline. Once connected, state clearly to the representative: I am a sender filing an emergency fraud claim to freeze an uncollected MTCN. The agent will cross-reference your ID and try to flag the global database to stop an agent anywhere in the world from executing a cash payout. If the hotlines are busy or the money has already been picked up and you need a formal paper trail for your bank, you must file a digital claim. Head to a desktop web browser and go directly to westernunion.com/report-fraud. Input your 10-digit MTCN code and the transaction date to pull up the system ledger. Fill out your legal contact information. Complete the fraud type questionnaire. The fraud type questionnaire is an official classification menu where you categorize the exact mechanism of the scam, such as romance fraud, grandparent impersonation, or property rental tricks, so Western Union can map the scammer's digital network and build an official case profile. Submit the ticket, write down your unique fraud claim case number, and keep a copy sent to your email inbox. Keep in mind that while Western Union's internal fraud unit manages its network safety, they are not police officers. Finally, if the scam started with a fake text message or a phishing email pretending to be from Western Union, forward the raw, unedited message straight to spoof@westernunion.com so their security team can take down the malicious link. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.